You know, towards the end of the conversation that we just had, Artemy was chirping in the window at birds. He was doing that little, you know, when cats do that, they're little, they do like a, it's like a unique noise they make, like a distinct noise. Yeah, these the little chirps. Let me see if I can find a video. Cat chirping at bird. This is what I mean. I assume this is going to be what I mean. They make such weird little noises. I think they're trying to trick the birds. They're trying to lure them. Oh my god! Losing its mind! That's a Bengal cat, I guess. Oh my god! You fucking clawing at the table. What are you doing? Jesus. I just read experts think it's probably cats airing frustration of their prey being out of their reach. Really? Are they just, like, frustrated? That's funny. You get chicky! You get chicky! We give you free chicky! You get chicky! Give me the bird! Let me kill! Oh my god. Well, you're outside. You're outside. You can climb the tree. Lazy fuck. Oh, well. Ooh. Ooh. I like cats. Ooh. Wait, I want to see its face though. Maine Coons. This is such a nice catio. Oh my god. So fluffy. Violent little fucks. Maine Coons are wild, dude. They're massive. They are big cats. Cats are incredibly invasive. Oh yeah, I don't think you should have outdoor cats or indoor-outdoor cats. I think you should keep your cats inside. They kill a lot of animals and cause a lot of adjacent environmental problems. They're very good at killing. Because, like, house cats are just big cats, but small. Like, house cats do all the things that tigers do, but smaller. Apart from that, they're the same, like, exactly. You just took a tiger and you shrunk them down so that they can't kill you anymore. But otherwise, they're exactly the same. Yeah, they're apex predators. They're incredibly strong and fast. They have natural killing instincts. Yeah, they're just naturally very very good. Also, yeah, if you're gonna have outdoor cats, make sure to get them fixed because like 80% of cats born in the US are born on the street. Whole bunch of little cat street fucking going on out there, you know. Cats aren't apex predators. Sure they are. Shut up. Don't care. Shut up. Cheetahs actually chirp. Look, all cats are the same. Look, all cats are the same, dude. Wait, is that real? Is this real? It sounds like a car alarm. What? Cheetahs can't roar, so they chirp? That is wild. Show them fox noises? Foxes aren't cats. I guess they're more cat-like than most canines. Are they canines? I don't even know. Tiger being cute. It's literally just a big cat. It's just a big cat. It's almost like they're literally called big cats. Yeah, it is almost like that. Would I go into that cage? No! House cats can break the skin. These things will open you. Hello, friend. Hello, other friend. You know how much fucking raw meat these things eat? Yeah, tiger chuffing is the thing. Chuff. Tiger chuff. 1 minute of chuffing. Thank you. That was the title of the video.
Say hi to everyone. Say hello. You say hi?
It's a happy noise. This image lives rent-free in my head. They're all the same. They're all the same, baby. Wish I was immortal so I could pet them. I think you'd have to be invulnerable, not immortal. But yes. This is the reason why people invented anime battle warriors. Okay? It's so they could imagine people strong enough to have, like, tigers as pet cats. You know? That's what they want.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
They're debating. I love them. Adorable, remorseless killing machine is world deadliest cat. Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! How can anything that look like this possibly be a killer? This is this little guy. Little super predator. Deadliest little cats on earth. In one night, a black-footed cat kills between 10 and 14 rodents or small birds, averaging a kill every 50 minutes. With a 60% success rate, black-footed cats are about 3 times as successful as lions, which average a successful kill about 20 to 25% of the time. Deadliest cat on Earth. And it's like a little... Ooh. Little baby. Yeah, kill thousands of other animals over the course of its life. This one's also good. Okay, we have to move past these. Hold on.
Whoa.
This is Jack.
Whoa.
His voice is a little deeper than most cats.
Ooh.
You say hi? Good boy.
What a fucking freak. Okay, this is the last one. We have to stop. God. Alright, stop. Okay, fine. Also, here are 9-week-old Maine Coon kittens. Look at them. Jesus Christ, they're so fluffy. So fluffy. And so big. 9 weeks old. And they're already that big. So handsome. No, stop. No more links. Stop. Stop. There will be no end to this. Animal stream. No, shh.